Hello guys, now we're gonna try to learn lezginka dance. This video is devoted for female movement. Okay, the dance is quite strict and I was thinking about how to make it easier for you, so we will try to learn something really easy and possible for those who haven't tried it before. Okay, the basic thing is that we should keep our fingers like this. You see, we should fix them. They should be fixed. I mean, don't do like this. It's not beautiful, it's not in this style. Fix them the way I do it. Okay, we will try to do this thing. We do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please notice what's going on with your hand, with your arm, because it's not like 1, 2. You see, the energy is different. Use your hands. Imagine that you are touching something, so it's 1, but you see how I move it. First I use my elbow and then see what happens with hand. In fact, you should train it. This can be trained through different exercises, but just try to fix these postures. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Regarding legs, our legs should move like this. It's we can use it as an exercise when we don't move forward or backward. Just fix it and fix your back, fix your neck and your head. Don't do like this, you see? So we need, the feeling of isolation, the upper body and the legs. So when we move, okay, if you try to move, it's fixed. I mean, we can't move like this. Okay, to count. When we say 1, for you to make it easier to understand, we do 2 steps, right plus left. So 1 is 1 and. If I say 2, I do 1 and 2 and. Okay, if it's difficult, you can calculate like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. And keep your legs very close to each other. Okay, the thing is that legs make their movement in their own rhythm and hands are very soft. So the rhythm is like 4 or 8. So we're gonna try to do 4. We do 1, 2. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. In fact, I think it's better not to move yet, to do it just on our position. So start with your legs, they do their work, and include your hands. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you notice, the legs do much more movement rather than hands. So the legs do minimum twice times and you do 1, then they move twice, you do back. So it's like 1, 2, 1, 2, but we calculated 1 and 2, just be careful. So if you decide to practice it on some event or somewhere, for example, and move, don't do it like this. Okay? It should be quite slow, I mean hands. So if you try to move, it should look at more like this. 1, 2, yeah? So we change it. But before getting to the movement, you just try to practice it at home. Start with your legs. 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1 and 1 and add your hand. So the music is quite fast, and to be into the music, we move with our legs quite fastly, like this. But hands are acting in a different way. So let's try it with music. 1,